Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will make text search result bold. So whatever text matches in the search query will be bold. So let's say if I type watch, then this text result text which match with the search query will become bold. And if I type run, so we will so this is what we will accomplish in this video. So let's proceed. So you can find the initial code from the video description below. So first we need to reach this list item and do some modification to accomplish this. So for that we go to Java, Kotlin plus Java UI, and in here to do list content, and in that we have this list item composable, and where we have this text composable for title and this one for description. So here we use annotated string use from HTML and pass this title in it, and same thing we will do for the description. So copy this one from here, paste it in here, and use parentheses. And next thing that we need to do is we need to modify this text as per to make this bold which matched with the search query. So for that we go to do list view model, and in here we have this method fetch to dos, and in that when we get data from the repository, then we are doing some mapping here to show the presentable created date on the UI. We are setting this property. We are seeing some error here, error warning, which this is about the Android version. So we will right now we will just suppress this new API annotation and proceed with the title modification. So title, if search query empty, then we use the title same as it is, and if it is not empty, then we do some modification in the title by using this replace method search query and replace this with the with this string which have bold tag surrounded by the bold tag, and also pass the true. So we will ignore the case here, whether it can be lowercase or it can be uppercase, and we do the same thing for the description. So copy this text description, paste it in here, and use the description here. Okay, so let's run the app and verify this behavior. Okay, so now if I type watch, then the relevant match text will be bold, and if I type run, then we will get the result which we want. So there is some minor issue with this implementation, so I leave it to you that whether you can find it or not, but I will cover that in the next video, that what is the issue and how we can resolve it. So with this we come to the end of this video. If you have any question, then do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.